The menstrual cup has become an incredibly popular female hygiene product for women all around the world. This cup functions as an effective and healthier replacement for pads and tampons and is inserted into the vagina during menstruation. For more about the advantages and disadvantages of the menstrual cup, keep watching here at OnSalus Health. Menstrual cups are hypoallergenic intimate products which are both soft and comfortable. They do not cause dryness or vaginal mucosa irritation. In addition, menstrual cups do not leave any fiber remains in the body and are a great economical alternative to other forms of intimate hygiene products, specifically because they can be used up to 15 years. In addition, they are easy to clean. All you have to do is empty the contents when full and clean with soap and water. When it comes to menstrual cups, depending on a woman's flow, they can last up to 12 hours. However, most recommend to empty them every 8 hours. Menstrual cups also come in varying sizes, so that you can choose the perfect model and size for your body. Lastly, they are environmentally friendly. However, some women may find the menstrual cup a bit uncomfortable due to the fact that size varies, and by choosing the wrong size, it can cause leaks, spots, or discomfort in some women. It requires more time and care. Because it is not disposable, it needs to be cleaned before and after use, sterilized well with boiling water. It may prove to be difficult to clean if you're in a public bathroom, and it takes time to get used to putting in and removing the cup. The cup needs to be manipulated when putting it in and removing it from the vagina, which at times may leave blood on the woman's fingers. The cup is incompatible with sexual relations. And that's it for our OnSalus Health video about the advantages and disadvantages of the menstrual cup. For any doubts or questions, post them into our comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.